your life is on a crash course and failure is staring you right in the face. Feeling the weight of that truth? You should be. You're stuck in an illusion, believing you've got it all figured out. But guess what? You don't. That perfect family, secure job, and cozy home you've been dreaming of, it's not happening for most people of this generation, and it won't for you either. What's guaranteed is ending up broke, lonely, and mentally wrecked. Sounds like a nightmare, right? What if I told you there's a way to avoid this fate? You're here watching this video for a reason. I have a blueprint that will change everything for you. This is the most crucial video you'll ever lay your eyes on. The key to turning your life around and defying all odds. Most people these days are failing their life goals, and the worst part is, they don't even realize it. Why? Let me break it down for you. We're living in a world filled with distractions. Social media, entertainment, and the constant barrage of information have turned our attention spans into a joke. People spend more time scrolling through their feeds and binge watching shows than focusing on what truly matters, their dreams and aspirations. Society has conditioned us to seek instant gratification. We want results, and we want them now. This mindset makes it nearly impossible to develop the patience and persistence needed to achieve long-term goals. When things get tough, most people just give up and move on to the next shiny object. Lastly, and most importantly, the majority of people, and that includes you, are completely clueless when it comes to crafting a solid plan for achieving their life goals. Don't go flying off the handle. I never said you don't have dreams, but let's be brutally honest here. You're missing a concrete plan on how to transform those dreams into something tangible. So, let me ask you this, and you're going to have to be brutally honest here. How much time have you genuinely invested in planning your future? Yeah, you've got dreams, but how many hours have you actually spent planning, tracking, and executing those ambitions? Now, let me ask you, how much time have you spent watching Netflix or playing video games just this week? Now that you know the harsh truth, it's time to take a long, hard look at yourself. Are you falling into the same traps as everyone else? If so, it's time to make a change. Stop sleepwalking through life and start taking control of your destiny. Don't be another sad statistic. Rise above the mediocrity and claim the greatness that's waiting for you. Worry not, because I have the key for you, my brother. In this 4-step guide, I will give you everything you need to know in order to achieve your life goals and go even beyond that. Step 1. Unlock your potential with SMART goals. Roadmap to success. Warrior, are you ready to take control of your success? The SMART method is your answer. It stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Here's why this framework actually works for people who want to achieve their life goals. Specific. Define your goal clearly. Are you tired of chasing shadows? Vague goals are for losers in this life. Be specific in defining your goal, and you'll know exactly what you're working towards. Instead of saying, I want to be rich one day, say, I want to earn 100K a year. Measurable. Track your progress. How can you improve if you can't measure your progress? Setting measurable goals keeps you accountable and hungry for progress. You'll see how far you've come and how much further you need to go. Achievable. Set realistic goals. You know what? Most people totally screw up when setting goals because they aim ridiculously high and then they crash and burn. But hey, that's not you. You're gonna be smart about this, right? Set goals that push you but are still within reach. Show yourself and everyone else that you're a winner by picking realistic targets and crushing them like the boss you are. Relevant. Align your goals with your values. Are you wasting time on things that don't matter? Your goals should align with your values, priorities, and overall life plan. Stay focused on what's truly important to you. Time-bound. Set deadlines. All right, brother, most guys screw up because they don't set deadlines for their goals, letting life pass them by. But you're not gonna be that guy. You know that setting deadlines pumps you up with a sense of urgency. By having a time frame for your goals, you'll stay focused, crush procrastination, and show everyone what it means to be a real go-getter. Goals are the fuel in the furnace of achievement. Brian Tracy, using the SMART method isn't just a good idea, it's essential for success. This approach works because it forces you to be brutally honest, realistic, and focused on what truly matters to you. No more excuses, no more BS. Be the man you're supposed to be. Be a warrior. Step 2. Craft an unstoppable action plan. Alright, bro, you've got your SMART goals locked in. Now it's time to create a killer action plan to crush those goals. No messing around, no excuses, just pure grit and determination. Let me break down how to build an unstoppable action plan. Break it down. Take those big goals and chop them into smaller, manageable tasks. That way, you won't feel overwhelmed by the size of your dreams. Instead, you'll be ready to tackle each challenge step by step. You know what they say, Rome wasn't built in a day. Prioritize. Do you know what sets true achievers apart from the rest? They prioritize the most important tasks first, even if it means delaying the smaller, less significant ones. Ask yourself, do you want to join the ranks of these champions? Many people opt for tackling easy, minor tasks, seeking quick wins and instant gratification. But is this the path to extraordinary success? Absolutely not. By focusing on the crucial tasks that impact your goals, you create a solid foundation for achievement and distinguish yourself from the masses. You, warrior, possess the strength and determination to rise above the ordinary. Embrace the power within you and concentrate on the tasks that carry the most weight in achieving your dreams. Remember, the choice is yours. Will you follow the path of greatness or remain trapped in mediocrity? Deadlines are non-negotiable. Deadlines are not only for your goals but also for plans of action. Be a man. Set aggressive deadlines for each task. This will keep you on your toes and force you to prioritize what's truly important. Procrastination is your enemy, and with firm deadlines, you'll leave no room for slacking off. Commitment is everything. Stay 100% committed to your action plan, no matter what obstacles or setbacks come your way. Adapt, overcome, and keep moving forward. Success is for those who never give up, and you know what? Quitters never win in this life. Step 3. Turn your dreams into reality. All right, buddy, you've got your SMART goals set and a solid action plan ready to go. Now it's time for step 3, putting that plan into action. This stage is all about keeping the momentum going and crushing those goals. Let me show you how to make it happen. Just do it. So many people fail because they just don't take action. They are stuck waiting for the perfect moment that never comes. But not you. You're different. You understand that success starts with taking action right now. You're determined, focused, and ready to make things happen. While others falter, you rise above, proving that you're not one of those people who fail. Be accountable. Hold yourself responsible for sticking to your action plan and hitting those SMART goals. When you tell people about your goals and dreams, you're more likely to actually go for them. Share your goals with someone you trust and respect. You must never share your goals and dreams with the normal, lazy, simple-minded people who are going to fail their own life. Those types of people will only bring you down, and we know you're not one of them. You're headed to the top, my friend. Stay focused, warrior. Maintain your laser focus on those SMART goals. Distractions may come, but don't let them sway you from your path. Remind yourself of the purpose behind those goals and envision the incredible rewards that await once you conquer them. Stay focused, and victory will be yours. Step 4. Repeat this for the rest of your life. Brother, this is it, the game-changing mindset that'll redefine how you live your life. From now on, you're going to chase those goals relentlessly, achieve them, and then set new ones. This never-ending cycle of growth and accomplishment is what will bring you true happiness as a man. Why settle for a life where you just go through the motions, only to end up with regrets? Instead, embrace this new way of living, where you're constantly striving for success, enjoying the journey, and becoming the best version of yourself. This is your ticket to greatness, man. By working tirelessly towards your goals and never giving up, you'll find satisfaction and fulfillment that most people can only dream of. You've now got the knowledge of the top 1%, the blueprint to a life of extraordinary achievement. All you have to do is follow this path, stay committed, and keep pushing forward. As you embark on this incredible journey, remember that it won't always be easy. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But if you stay focused and believe in yourself, you'll rise above it all and eventually join the ranks of the top 1%. So, brother, are you ready to make this commitment to live a life filled with success, growth, and happiness? If so, embrace this new mindset and never look back. Keep chasing those goals, one after the other, and transform your life into a legacy worth remembering. The choice is yours. Make it count.